What if I told you that the truck manufacturers, the dealerships, and every marketing department in Detroit spent the last 5 years convincing you that electric pickups are overpriced toys for tech bros, while quietly, behind the curtain, the smartest fleet managers and used truck hunters in America have been scooping up electric pickups for 30, 40, even 50 cents on the dollar. Trucks with powertrains that have 20 moving parts instead of 2,000. Trucks that skip oil changes, skip exhaust work, skip transmission rebuilds. Trucks that the real-world data shows hold 80 to 90% of their battery capacity after 100,000 miles. Trucks that will still be hauling loads when your buddy's brand new gas F-150 is on its third transmission? Here's what most people miss. The electric pickup market just crashed. Sales dropped almost 16% last year. The federal $7,500 tax credit is gone. Ford just killed the Lightning. Roughly 329,000 electric vehicle leases are flooding back onto the used market this year alone, and every single one of those headlines that scared normal buyers away created the greatest truck buying opportunity of your lifetime for anyone paying attention. I'm going to walk you through 5 electric pickups that are dirt cheap right now, and I saved the 2 most jaw-dropping for the end. Number 2 is a luxury adventure truck that 91% of owners say they'd buy again, and it's lost nearly a third of its sticker price already. And number 1, the truck sitting at the very top of this list, was literally auctioned off by scalpers for $250,000, and you can now buy it for less than a loaded Camry. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we post videos that cut through the marketing noise and show you exactly where the real deals are hiding in the truck market. Here are 5 dirt cheap electric pickups that will outlast every new truck on the lot, ranked from criminally underpriced to absolutely steal of the century. Number 5, the Slate Truck. The $24,950 bare-knuckle brawler that embarrasses everything on the lot. At $24,950, this is both the cheapest new electric vehicle in America and the cheapest new pickup, period. It rolls out of a factory in Indiana with 2 doors, 2 seats, steel wheels, no touchscreen, no radio, no speakers, and not even paint. Every single one leaves the line in the same gray dyed straight into plastic body panels. The company calls it the blank slate, and that name tells you everything about their philosophy. Think about that. Under 25 grand for a brand new electric truck. The average new electric vehicle in America costs over $58,000. This thing costs less than half that. Why this one? Because underneath that no-frills body sits a 65 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, delivering an estimated 205 miles of range. The numbers don't lie. LFP chemistry routinely exceeds 3,000 charge cycles while maintaining 80% capacity. That's the same battery tech fleet operators trust for millions of miles of commercial use. At 174 inches long, it's about 2 feet shorter than a Ford Maverick, which means it actually fits in your garage, your job site, your life. Here's how to actually use it. If you need more seats, the blank slate converts from a 2-seat pickup into a 5-seat SUV configuration starting at $29,950. Deliveries start 4th quarter of this year. It gets overlooked because we've been trained to think trucks need chrome grills and 14-inch touchscreens. The manufacturers walked away from this price point years ago. As Edmunds Ivan Drury put it, the market quietly abandoned affordability, and Slate is betting $25,000 that buyers still want it. If you're someone who drives the American average of about 40 miles a day, this truck is probably already more than enough for what's sitting in your driveway right now. Number 4, the used Ford F-150 Lightning Pro. The discontinued workhorse they're practically giving away. Ford just confirmed it killed the all-electric F-150 Lightning. Production is done. And that decision, combined with up to $7,000 in cash back on remaining inventory and special financing deals, has turned this into one of the most lopsided bargains in the truck market. Ford sold over 10,000 Lightnings in a single quarter last year, outselling the Cybertruck nearly 2-to-1, and now the people who bought them are trading them in at prices that make no sense. The F-150 Lightning Pro was the work truck trim, the one fleet buyers ordered. And here's the critical detail. The Pro depreciates far less than its expensive siblings. The XLT lost 33%. The Lariat dropped 39%. The Platinum cratered by 49% in 4 years. The Pro held tighter because working trucks get valued on what they do, not what badge they carry. Consumer Reports gave the Lightning an average reliability rating, leading the entire electric truck segment. The testing backs this up. With no oil changes, no exhaust work, no transmission services, electric powertrains with as few as 20 moving parts simply have less to break. Real-world Tesla examples have crossed 400,000 miles on original drivetrain components. Here's how to actually use it. Look for a lightly used Pro with under 30,000 miles. These trucks are selling for 30 to 40% less than original sticker, despite battery and motor failures being statistically rare. The fear of battery degradation is what is driving prices down, not actual battery degradation. It gets overlooked because when people hear discontinued, they think abandoned. But discontinued means parts are still available, the platform is proven, and every nervous seller is pricing their truck like it is worthless. That fear is probably sitting at a dealership within 50 miles of you right now, waiting for someone who understands what 20 moving parts versus 2,000 actually means for longevity. Number 3. The used Chevrolet Silverado EV work truck. The range king that drives 1,000 miles on stubbornness. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that the trucks nobody's buying are the exact trucks that will be running long after every gas pickup on your street has been scrapped, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps this reach people who actually want to find these deals before they disappear. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you're exactly the kind of person we make these videos for. The Silverado EV work truck opens at $54,895 on paper, but dealers are already listing new ones at just over $50,000. That's a full-size crew cab electric pickup from Chevrolet for the price of a well-optioned gas Silverado. Why does it beat everything else in this segment? 493 miles of GM estimated range on the max range battery. That is the longest range of any electric pickup on sale today, and it's meaningfully beyond what most gas full-size trucks can cover between fuel stops. GM engineers drove a work truck trim over 1,000 miles on a single charge. The real-world data confirms it. This truck tows up to 12,500 pounds and hauls a maximum payload of 2,350 pounds. The 800-volt architecture means the max range model can add 124 miles of range in just 10 minutes on a DC fast charger, up to 760 horsepower on tap. Here's how to actually use it. Target the work truck standard range for the lowest entry point. As General Motors slows production on the Silverado electric vehicle line, dealer incentives are only going to get more aggressive. Every truck sitting on a lot right now is a negotiation waiting to happen. It gets overlooked because Chevrolet marketed the flashier R, ST, and Trail Boss trims with the big advertising budgets. The work truck, the one that actually makes financial sense, got buried in fine print. If you've got a fleet or a job site that needs a truck that never visits a gas station, this is probably the smartest purchase you can make right now. Number 2. The used Rivian R1T. The adventure truck that owners refuse to let go of at prices they never should have let slip. A brand new dual-motor standard R1T starts around $72,990. But the used market tells a completely different story. Kelley Blue Book puts the fair purchase price of a 2022 R1T Adventure at $51,600. That's roughly 30% off original sticker in just a few years. And if you're looking at quad motor launch edition units, the cheapest ones are clustered right around $40,000, from nearly $70,000 down to under $44,000. Every owner who's driven one knows it. Rivian topped Consumer Reports' entire survey for customer satisfaction, and a stunning 91% of R1T owners say they'd buy another one. That's not marketing, that's the kind of loyalty number that makes other manufacturers nervous. 314 miles of range. 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, 1,760 pounds of payload, 11.1 cubic feet of front trunk storage, serious off-road credentials baked into every trim. And the warranty coverage tells you how confident Rivian is in longevity. 5 years or 60,000 miles of comprehensive coverage, 8 years and unlimited mileage for corrosion, 8 years or 175,000 miles on the battery pack and drivetrain. Here is how to actually use it. Hunt for a 2022 or 2023 dual motor large pack in the high 50,000 range to the mid 60,000 range. At those prices, you're getting a truck that was engineered for the kind of adventures that destroy lesser vehicles. And the battery data shows these drivetrains hold up for years beyond what most buyers expect. It gets overlooked because Rivian sold only about 7,400 R1Ts last year, a 33% decline. Low sales volume means low visibility. Most truck buyers have never sat in one, never driven one, never experienced why 91% of the people who own them would do it all over again. If you've been eyeing something that can handle a mountain trail and a Monday commute, this is probably the truck you didn't know was already in your price range. Number 1. The used GMC Hummer EV, the $250,000 scalper truck you can now buy for the price of a Camry. This is the one, the absolute king of depreciation, and therefore the absolute king of value for anyone brave enough to see it. When the Hummer EV launched, GMC priced the Edition 1 at $110,295. Dealerships and scalpers looked at that number and laughed. They flipped these trucks on Bring a Trailer for upwards of $250,000, $250,000 for a pickup truck. Now, Kelley Blue Book puts the fair purchase price of that same Edition 1 at $63,100. That's a 4-year depreciation rate of around 37% off sticker. But the real deals go deeper. You can find Hummer EV 2X models all day long for less than $60,000. Units with around 50,000 miles on the clock are showing up under $55,000, and 3,601 were sold last year, down nearly 55% from the year before. Nobody wants them, which means everybody who does want one has all the leverage. The testing backs this up. This truck sits on GM's massively overbuilt Ultium platform, the same architecture underpinning the Silverado EV, the same battery technology that has been proving itself across GM's entire electric lineup. Modern EV batteries retain 80 to 90% of capacity after 100,000 miles, with average degradation of just 2.3% per year. Here's how to actually use it. You could buy a fleet of top-trimmed Hummer EV3Xs from any model year between 2022 and 2024 for what one scalper paid at launch. Look for a 2X with moderate mileage, verify the battery health report, and drive away in an overbuilt 9,000-pound machine that has fewer moving parts than a lawnmower engine. It gets overlooked because the Hummer EV became a punchline. Too heavy, too flashy, too much. But the truck underneath the reputation is absurdly capable, and the depreciation curve has turned it into the single best dollar per pound value in the entire pickup market. If you've ever dreamed of owning something that was built to survive anything, it's probably sitting on a dealer lot near you right now, priced like a mid-trim sedan, waiting for someone who knows what 2.3% annual degradation actually means. If you made it all the way to the end, you've just learned something most people never will. The electric pickup market crashed, manufacturers panicked, buyers ran scared, and the trucks that will outlast everything on the road are sitting at the lowest prices they'll ever be. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about electric trucks. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Slate Truck, Team Rivian R1T, Team Hummer EV. I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, The best truck isn't always the one with the biggest sticker price on the showroom floor. Sometimes it's the one the market forgot about, sitting on a used lot with 20 moving parts and a decade of battery life left, waiting for you to drive it home.